This is the screen that you'll see when you first open up that Polar app. We're going to be talking in this video about how to enter that patient information so that you have the correct maximum heart rate to be monitoring their exertion level. To do that, we go down here to settings, and then we go here to user, tap on that rectangle, and we can scroll down here to provide those physical settings. So we have an option for gender, an option for date of birth. At our facility, we are not putting in any private health information, so we're keeping that birth date January 1st, but we will enter the year, so I'll keep it at 1990. That's the person we're working with this session. You can adjust height, weight, just by tapping on those numbers and scrolling through to make it accurate. And the one thing to note is that even though you change the year of birth, it may not automatically update that maximum heart rate. So you will want to check that that's where you want it to be. If you're using the age-related maximum heart rate, that would just be 220 minus the patient's age. And so making sure that that's where you want it to be, which it is for someone born in 1990. Once you've entered all that information, you can come up here to the back button, and we can go back down here to the training mode so that we can start that session. One last thing to take note of is what activity you're doing. So right now it's set on running mode, but if we wanted to change that, we could hit that plus sign and turn it into a rowing mode if we were using a rowing machine, for instance. And you should be good to go.